Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the cheapest drawing tablet from Wacom, and I'm also going to test it out just to see how it works. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So I recently bought this tablet from Wacom, which is really affordable. Now this video is not at all sponsored by Wacom. I just wanted to try it out on my own. Now the packaging is really good. I really liked it. As you guys can see right here, here's the tablet. And we have some more things right underneath it. Now I'm just going to show you one by one what this box has inside it. So the first thing is obviously the USB cable, which is the standard type A port. Now here we also have some pen replacement nibs and a little tool just to help us getting the nib into the pen. And here we also have our warranty card and something inside of that cardboard, and also the pen. And I struggled a lot just to get that pen out of that box, and I finally got it. Now here's the pen. The pen quality is good, but it is not as good as the pen which comes with the higher versions of the drawing tablet, but it's still fine. It's really lightweight and it's like a battery-free pen, so you don't really have to charge the pen. Now here we have, of course, our tablet. Now tablet is also really lightweight and really sleek. You guys can also put your pen right just at the side of that tablet. Also, the size of the tablet is 6 inches by 3.5 inches, so I actually placed my hand right there so that you guys can see how small it is. And now I'm just kind of plugging it up with my laptop just to show you guys the whole setup thing, and also just to test it out and see how this works. And also here this card shows the link to the website from where we can actually download the driver for the Wacom software. Now once you're on this page, you just have to hit download. That is right in the middle, and it'll download a driver or a file. Then you have to open it up. Now I already downloaded it and I forgot to record it. Now once you have the driver, just open it up and install it, then restart your computer again, and then you have to go back on the launchpad if you're using Mac. Open it up and you'll have to do some settings. Now I will suggest you guys not to do any settings because the default settings are good to go. I'm just going to show you guys where to go if you do want to have some additional settings. So you need to click pen settings to open the pen settings up, obviously, and then here we have our standard default settings, and I would suggest you guys to have the same. It works amazing and I tested it out. And if you decide to switch the settings a little bit, then you can do that and you can test how that works, and you can test how the brush strokes are working. So this is pretty amazing. Now for Wacom to work, you can have Windows PC or a MacBook. It doesn't really matter. You guys cannot really use it or plug it in with your phone or your iPad or anything like that. You can only use it with your computer or laptop. But let me tell you guys, this tablet is amazing. If you're a beginner and you don't want to spend a lot of money, then this is the tablet you need. This is amazing, and I used it, and the pen was amazing. You can also use this tablet as a mouse. Also, I'm going to tell you the price for the tablet. So it's for $47, which is 3,500 rupees, which is pretty affordable as compared to a lot of expensive tablets out there. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to switch up, and if you're looking to upgrade your drawings and you want to be a digital artist, then this is the way to go, you guys. I tested it and I'm going to use it. Obviously this video was not sponsored. I actually bought it for my own personal use, so I'm going to use it and I love it. So here I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys quickly how this works on Photoshop. I'm using Photoshop, so you can use that. You don't really have to use Photoshop for this to work. So I'm just going to show you guys how this works. I'm just going to paint or sketch an eye, and you guys will see how precise or how good this tablet is. Obviously, if you are someone new to using tablets and you are used to drawing on papers, then this might be a little tricky to use it and to get used to this pen and tablet thing. But the more you practice, the more you'll get used to it, so don't worry about that. I'm actually kind of pretty used to using tablets, and I was using those in my previous company where I was working as an illustrator. So it was pretty easy for me to use it, but it is not difficult. And if you guys want a tutorial on how to use a tablet and how to use it to create amazing drawings and paintings on computer, then let me know down in the comment section below. Other than that, I don't think there's anything else that I need to tell you guys about this tablet. I'm just gonna tell you again, just go ahead, purchase this tablet. This tablet is amazing. And yeah, now I'm just gonna speed through the whole painting sketching process so that I don't bore you guys. It was just to show you guys how this tablet works, and it works wonders. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I'll be giving a affiliate link to this tablet, so if you go ahead and purchase this tablet through that link, it'll give me a little commission and just to support my channel a little bit. And yeah, other than that, just subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I post every Monday and Friday. And also, if you do create something out of my tutorials, then do tag me on Instagram, and I will link it down in the description as well. Other than that, I will see you guys the next time.